Okay, sir.
Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Satish and today I'm taking your presentation for how to create a blog with the help of a free platform which name is blogspot.com.
Can you please speak louder?
Is there any problem? Is
Sir,
there
your
any?
voice is very low. I can't hear properly.
Maybe that is from your side. Please increase your volume. If not from your side, I will increase my volume. No problem. Okay. So, good evening. And today's topic is blogging. One second, more participants are coming. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the blog. We have discussed in previous lectures what is blog and how we can create with the help of free and self-hosted platform. So now I am teaching you all today how you can create your own blog with the help of blogspot.com. So first you need to go to the google.com and search blogspot.com and enter. When you press enter in your Google index, you will get a blogger.com suggestion, or if you directly enter the URL www.blogger.com, you can easily redirect to the main page of blogger.com. So create your blog, you have two options. First, for sign in option. If you are already a user, if you are already a blogger or user, you can go through the sign in part. And if you are new, so you can first, I want to show you all the things which is present here. To create a blog, first you need to choose a perfect design and create a beautiful blog that file fits your style, and choose from a selection of easy to use templates, and all with flexible layout and hundreds of background images. You will get here, you will get a free domain which you will get here, and also you can earn money with the help of blogging. You will know your audience with the help of some charts and statistics which is also providing by the blogger, and hang on to your memories, and also you can keep your all memories here if you want to. Okay, so first if you want to create a blog, first you need to click on this button, create your blog. You need to enter your email address, click on next. Okay, enter your password and next. So I'm redirecting to my blog. Only two steps here. If you want to create a blog, you can easily create. Okay, so as you can see here, I have my own blog which name is CSE Rock, and in URL you can search crackbookx.blogspot.com. In previous lecture, I have told you, if you use free domain and free platform for creating your blog or website, after your name of the website or after your name of the blog, they will put their own brand name and .com. So that means you are creating a free blog with the help of blogspot.com. You can see here, this is a dynamic blog. This is a dynamic blog which you can use for share your all information. Here you can see all the modifications and transitions, and there are many layout present in the one piece blog. Here is a classical effect which you can use. This is a layout. Okay, this is a flip card effect. This is a flip card layout. Here you can also arrange your all the blog with the help of date, label, and author. Date, label, and author. Third is author. I'm clicking on label. So according to the labels, the blog will be arranged. Date. Date wise, you can see in which date I wrote a blog. You can all see here. I started this blog from January 2015. Okay. And recent means the latest what you have posted on your blog. And here you can see I want to open some more layouts like magazine. You can see magazine layout. You can see every time when you are choosing some menus, layout is changing. Mosaic, when I'm clicking here mosaic, on mosaic, you can see here the layout of mosaic is different, and arranging all the post with the help of according to the layout of the website or blog, you can say. Sidebar, this is most preferable background which you always use. This is a layout which you always use because each and everything you can see here. Okay, I have my own YouTube channel which name is The Developer. I started that in 2015, that time 5 to 6 years ago. But now I am running again that YouTube channel. And now you can see Reliance Jio some offers that time in 2017. I posted them all. Okay, hidden internet, deep web, and Mariana Web explained in the Mariana Web. So all this I posted with the help of my blog. Okay, snapshot effect, snapshot layout you can see here. This all are layout, different layout which you can use to uh, create your blog or to show your blog to all the people. Okay, so now I am going back to the blogger.com. Here you can see blogger list and create a new blog. For creating a new blog, you should have a title. Like that, you can see here, my title is CSE Rock. I am creating this blog for those I write this blog with to make changes in the word by technical knowledge, like that. So you need to first create a title. The title is digital digital Satish, या फिर anything else, uh, digital guru. You can keep this type of titles. Some more participants are coming or not. If you will come after the presentation or time, I will not admit you. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So digital guru Satish, you can keep title like that. Address. You can also add a custom domain later. But if you want to create your website now, you can start with a free domain. Okay. So domain will be like example here you can see. Yeah, please.
Sir,
Please.
so once we create that blog, we can change the title name
Yeah, we can change.
after
No problem.
creating blog.
After creating blog, you can do anything because
Okay.
with the help of dashboard, you have all the controls. Okay. So first we are going to create a new blog.
Okay.
So the name of the blog is Digital Guru Satish.
Okay.
You can keep your name, and you can see here example my new blog address .blogspot.com. So Digital Guru Satish I am pasting here .blogspot.com. Okay, checking blog address is available. Yes, that is available. And now the theme selection is third process. First you need to choose a title, then you need to create your own address like this. and in third position you need to select a theme. So Digital Guru Satish is good name, I think. I'm keeping this in small letter because URLs not work with capital. Okay, Digital Guru Satish.blogspot.com. Okay, that is available, and now I am choosing a theme. Any theme you can choose and start your own blog. For starting, we always choose this type of theme, which should be simple and attractive. Like my first, yeah, like this. Click on create a blog. Now this is creating a blog for you. Digital Satish blog created successfully. Now you can see here Digital Guru Satish. Find a domain name for your blog and connect it instantly. If you search, that will give you lot of suggestion related to Digital Guru Satish. And also you need to purchase a domain name. If you don't want to purchase, you go through this blog. Okay, you no need to purchase. Okay, but for example, I need to tell you all the things. If you search to buy a domain and connect to Blogger, first you need to give your blog name here and go to the search. When you will search, you will get many of the options like digitalgurusatish.com, digitalgurusatish.community, digitalgurusatish.me, digitalgurusatish.site. So which you want to accept, which you want to keep your domain name, you can select from here, buy from here and connect. Okay, no worry about that. But in this time I'm not going to buy a domain. I'm teaching you with a free platform, so I will teach you with help of free website, free blogging.com. So I'm cutting this. Okay, I'm closing this tab. Now you can see here your name of the blog is Digital Guru Satish. And when I will click in this drop down menu, you can see here we have two more blog present here. One of the blog is CSC Rock, which I already showed you. Okay, you can also see a CSC Rock. The second blog is Online Sale. Online Sale, maybe that is available or not, I don't know. But if you want to start with this, you can also start with. If you want to create a blog, you can create a blog, and after that you can create multiple blog with the help of a one single Gmail account. Okay, so first I will go to Digital Guru Satish, which we just created, and then you can see here dashboard. Here you can see theme section. I will teach you this all the scenario, this all the things in small pieces. Okay, so first I want to show you all. Today our topic is post, states and comments, and after that we will go through earning, page and layout, and after that theme, setting and reading list and all the things. Okay, so first topic is post. So when you will click on post, you can see here one window will be open like this. Okay, so here is not any post you created. So first you need to create a new post. Click on new post, one more page will be open, and when the page will open, you need to create a post. So I'm copying and pasting. Okay, I will not create a post, but I'm teaching you how you can create. Okay, so first I'm taking one example from my own blog. Okay, so here you can see how to fix a DNS lookup failed method 2. So I'm copying this and pasting here. You create your own post. This is all my blog post. Okay, I created them. Don't paste anyone website post or anything, you can get copyright claim. Okay, don't worry about that. Always make your own content. Okay, so first you paste here how to fix DNS lookup failed error method 2, and now you copy this all thing यहाँ तक. Sorry, we need to copy some text to create to learn how to create a post. Okay, so we are copying them. यहाँ तक कर लेते हैं. copy, and I will go on my digital Guru Satish and I will paste it. You can all see all the things which you copied, all are here present. Okay, all are here present. With the help of this, you can create your own post, but you need to at least you should have a knowledge to edit the post. If you want to copy any post, no problem about that. But if you want to create a post, you need to know about the heading, subheading, minor heading, normal, how you can text, create your post with the small text, bold text, underline text. Okay, how you can change the color of your post like this. Okay, these all are some tools which you can use to create attractive and good blog with the help of a good post. So here you can see, first I keep here how to fix DNS lookup failed error. This is my post title. After that I keep here all the images, multimedia, and all the text. And after that I am going to publish this post. Okay, if you want more information about that you can ask me, but first you need to create a post, and after that if you want to add something then you will call me. Okay, no problem about that, I will give every answer of your question. Okay, so first I am making this a heading and increasing the size increase. Okay, normal, I'm keeping this normal now. So if you click on the image, you can get some option like small, medium, large, extra large. This type of option you will get. You will click in you will click in any of the option and you can make it like. So I'm keeping here large, so that will look much better. Okay. Now I'm going to publish. You can see here if I will do anything that will save automatically. If I will erase 6 and after that I will type 6, you can see here in saving position what happened, that is saving here you can see. Now I am publishing this post, and when you publish your post you can see here Shivani is disconnected. You can see here your post is published and there is one published post available and all posts are one, only one post you have available. Now you can use this publish revert to draft. Revert to draft means you will keep this in draft, and after that when you want to publish this you can edit and publish. Delete means you can delete the post, but first you need to select. If you want to edit you can use edit option to edit the post. If you want to view you can use view option, and if you want to delete you can use delete option now. So first we will use view option. So I'm clicking on view. Let's see what will happen. Here you can see Digital Guru Satish is present, and you can see here how to fix DNS lookup failed method 2 and all the thing we put in our blog. I will show you how you can make this simple blog to this type of attractive blogs. Okay, so people will come and they will see a good and arranged content, and they will learn from your blog, and they will always come on your blog for any suggestion or any help. Okay, so this is about the post, all about the post. So with this you can create your own blog. And now I'm going again to the dashboard. Here is post. When you click on post, here you can see all. In all you can see all the posts you have created. Here is published. Published, when you click on published you can see here one post is published here. Uncheck it, uncheck it. States, in states you can see the overview of your page, the overview of your blog. You can see the traffic resources from which .com you are getting your traffic, how many your followers are present. Here you can see 0. Page view all the time history. Here you can see 1. Page view last month. Here you can see 1. Page view yesterday. Here you can see 0. And page view today. You can see 1. Okay. And post. Click on post. Here you can see no states yet. Check. Back later. Traffic resources. Here you can see all the traffic resources from which website, from which URL, from which search engine, from which country, from which platform, Facebook, Instagram, you are getting your traffic. You can see here. And audience. You can also see your audience from different countries. From which country you are getting how much audience, how many audience, sorry, how many audience you are getting from a selected country, you can also see here. Okay, and how many page views by the different browsers like Chrome. With the help of Chrome, how many page views are present here, you can see here. With the help of Windows platform, which with the help of Windows operating system platform, those your users are using, how many people reach to your website. This all you have seen here. Third is your comments. Here is no comment available because no one is commented here now. So you can, in published, you can see your all published comments. Okay, the person comment you and you comment a person in the reply, you can all see this all details. In spam, you can see how many spams are available. A spam means if someone is coming in your website or your comment section and posting unnecessary things like links, blogs, pictures, or anything which is not related to your content or anything, that is called spam. They always try to spam you with the help of some blogs, some offers, some product sales, some hacking techniques, and all the things. Okay, so our today's topic was post states, comments, and how to create a blog with the help of blogger.com. And this all we have achieved today. So tomorrow I will tell you all about the earning techniques, pages, how you can create pages, how you can change your layout from this simple type of layout to a dynamic type of layout like this. I will teach you all, okay? And
Hello, sir.
about the theme option, yes, please.
Sir, I have a question.
Please,
Like, if we are learn the things that we are create our how we create our first blog. Like we have no any kind of topic related to our fields. So how we create our first blog? On which topic should we create our first blog?
according to me, you should create your first blog with your
On which topic?
on which topic. You can select any of the
Yeah.
topic because if I am a good professional, I will create a topic. Like I am teaching you all digital marketing. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
I will post a topic like the title of the topic will be how to teach 200 people in 7 days with the help of internet. So in this topic, what I will mention all the social media techniques which I follow to go through the audience, how we can get the audience, with the help of which platform I can get the audience, and how you can attract many people with the help of your graphics, your content, how you should write your blog, how you should create your offers. Okay, so you can attend many of the clients like this. I will write. Okay, so the
Okay.
topic is you have learned many things from zero to now. Okay, from your college life, your school life, you have learned many things. You should have some passion, you should have some talent, so you can write about them. How to make a how to play a song with 3 chords, how to play a song with 4 chords, how to play 15 song with 3 chords. You can post a blog about that. You can uh, send a screenshot with that. And if someone is searching about how to play 3 songs with 4 chords or 3 chords, your blog will be presenting first because only you have the information. Many of my friends come to me
It
after
means the
seeing my blog.
information will be unique.
Unique. You should not follow the other person. Okay, if you are
Okay.
if you want to create a blog and earn money, your information should be Unique. Information should be unique. That may be repeatable. That may be repeated content, no problem. But in this repeated content, there should be some information which is not available in others. Simple. Many of the people are teaching digital marketing. Many of the people are giving certificates. But I am teaching you online and offline both mode, because I'm teaching you online, and after that I'm giving you all my videos, and after that I'm also solving your problem in my calls and everything. And also I'm telling you every day what is the digital marketing, what is the demand of digital marketing, how you can earn money with that. I'm teaching you all, so that make my presentation, my all the topics very clear for my students, and everyone can learn easily. If someone is not present, they can earn with my learn with my videos. So everything is present here. Okay, so that should be unique. Everyone is doing the same thing, but you should do something else which no one is doing. Okay, so with these two lines I am closing this presentation now. All you should have to be present tomorrow 6 6 p.m. and before 10 minutes you please log in, so we can get more time to learn. Okay, so thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'm closing this presentation. Okay, thank you. Stopping
वो
share.
बीच में साला वहाँ से कट कट ऐसे ना जंगल टाइप की ट्रैवल की